Here's some new Thursday. Actually, you guys have seen this from last video. There's nothing new there. So we're about to go play ping pong on the roof. Been working all day. Got that custom Thursday case on the Mac. We're gonna have to drop something like that. But yeah, about to post a reel.
Pack an order with this.
Crazy vibes. So yeah, we got Brian here. We're about to go catch a little break, afternoon break, because we've been at it all day. Dropped off packages to some influencers today, so that's pretty cool. Looking forward to whatever gets posted there. And yeah, let's hit the roof.
Oh, I can't believe you got that. That's crazy.
So David Dobrik just posted a Thursday hoodie again. That's so crazy. Not one, not twice, not 3 times, not 4 times, not 5 times, not 6 times. Yo, shout out David, the GOAT, showing so much love. That's crazy. He literally got him today, so very happy about this. How do you feel about that?
Fire, honestly, so unexpected. It's a lot, to be honest. I feel like that's why we moved to LA. So these are one of the things that we get to experience.
Literally type of stuff we moved to LA
that,
for.
That he actually likes.
So yeah, I mean, as he was saying, it's insane. Like David Dobrik posting the hoodie, like what? It actually happened yesterday, like randomly. He just posted it 2 days ago, and then we just sent a few more. It actually happened on Sunday, randomly out of nowhere. And yeah, today we posted it 6-7 times so far. It's been an hour, so that's crazy. Like I don't even know. But yeah, it's just part of why we moved to LA, as he said back there. We've connected with a lot of influencers, a lot of people that we didn't have in our plans back when we moved here, but now they like the brand. They're showing love, so very excited to see where that goes.
Kiddie pool, guys. I'll show you guys a little unboxing later when you guys are over here.
I know like 50K on a vacation. For all the mama need reservations for 20. I've never really.
All right, back again, day in the life. So today we have some production work to do. So today we're gonna go to the factories where we get our hoodies done. They're getting their tags placed right now, so we already did the printing, and yeah, they're getting their tags placed. So hopefully that's done today, so we can start shipping. Even after that, we're a little back order, so we have some more in production, some more hoodies getting made right now. But yeah, I mean it's crazy because like every time like something good happens, like there's obviously like stressful things that come with it, but it's good problems to have at the end of the day. So pretty excited for that. We have to start getting our production going for fall and November and Q4, which is like Black Friday times, you know, the craziest times of the year. So today, yeah, you guys are gonna be coming along on the ride with us, and we're gonna get some production going. We're gonna pick that up. I think we might meet with a new pattern maker to make some new designs that we want to make, get that going for Q4 for fall. Fall is personally my favorite season, so definitely want to make. We're a little late for that, obviously, but I want to see if we could get a few things done for fall. We're also working on a few cool things that I'll show you guys probably within a week or two, once we have samples. And yeah, I mean, it's been interesting times. It's been definitely a lot of work, a lot of things happening, a lot of emotions, but very excited to see where the brand's going. That Dobrik post really added some momentum, because obviously we've been working a lot for the past 6 months. But yeah, that just like adds fuel to the fire. and it just unlocks new levels that speed up. Like every brand that is successful goes through this, and very excited to see where we take it from here. So
I'm the greatest man, I said that before I knew I was.
It sounds good.
Gotta like keep progressing, keep doing what we're doing. We're out here about to go pick up some hoodies.
Day in the life. You know,
Long ass drives, you know.
Wednesday, bro.
1 hour, one way.
Wednesday. I was wearing it, so yeah.
Damn. That was beautiful. No, it's not right. So you guys see the difference here. The H, it's not centered. Here it is. It's like a perfect slice down, as opposed to here where it's like same here. So they gotta fix all these except this beautiful baby right here. This one has to get fixed too.
Is our success.
No, for sure, yeah. I really appreciate that. So, do you know?
Very possible since we're going to be making.
Do you know how long they generally take? Let's say if we go ahead and do like
3 weeks, and if he has the fabric in stock, that really helps.
It's a Thursday, dog.
no way. Come here.
We got a Thursday, dog.
Benji, what?
You meet him? His boy, like he has a boy named Benji. Like his personal manager, like his day to day, his name's Benji, whatever. Like order for 2, and he's gonna.
Thursday, you know?
Like, you ain't living out where you can.
All right, so we're back home. We just dropped off some orders at USPS. That's all like from that last influencer post, and now we have like a lot of production work to do just because we're like sold out of everything, and we have to start prepping for Q4. As I told you guys, we have to like place big POs, big orders, because we want to be really prepared. Because if everything goes as planned, it's gonna be an insane next 3 to 4 months. So that's where we're at right now. That's the goal. I do intend on being consistent on YouTube. Once again, I say that every time, but like this time around, I'm not even gonna get into it. But yeah, I mean, I think that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be giving you guys updates and stuff like that regarding the brand, where we're at, and just life in general now that we're here in LA. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the vibes. Stay tuned for more vibes. Thursday channel also dropping a video today, so check that out in the description. And I'll catch you guys next week.
Again, oh man, I don't wanna do this shit again, not again. Listen, baby, this a Lamborghini, not a Benz. I don't even get the time to fuck you on the